better than everybody. Hey, hey. Cause it because they bless we, hey. It be in the only, hey. Get in the kappa, into what's a real of I know. I said, give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. Hey, I can't baby, how friend, no, Jenny, you can't Baba. Give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. My brand no be joke, life no be easy. It's a woman by our train with season. Don't be greedy, slow the speeding. Hey, I gonna walk over bread now, baby. Cause your slow motion is better than no motion. Do something, take a notion, eh. Cause life be used to leave it, stop, beliefs land. So do what you can do. Choose the hard way and struggle. And if it be for you, true hard work and determination, give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. I can't baby, how friend, no, Jenny, you can't Baba. Give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. Give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. I can't baby, how friend, no, Jenny, you can't Baba. Give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. You know, be you, they do something. If you God, you they make my day shine. Sometimes you know you didn't get the time. But you they chop the pepper. And now we be at too nice, so. And until today, no more cancel. Cause life just be you and how you go live up. So baby, they be for you. Give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. I can't baby, how friend, no, just you can't Baba. Give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. Give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. I can't baby, how friend, no, just you can't Baba. Give it to Baba. All the praise for Baba. Give it to Baba. It's a kid. .1 still on the Total African Cup of Nations live commentary and your two Janus are and so to me at the Amamor game no and Chabesha said the match between Guinea, the Silly National against Omayani the Gambians and a big game Group C and also Ebabe cost so already Senegal. It's me actually on my anything at a Cameroon. Yes, I said the two lions in this year, Teranga Lions of Senegal. Actually, the indomitable lions of Cameroon. About an economy and Sa Cameroon at Timobacon. And the announcement to game no. And Jabesha said, "Another Kofi free that's why Samson and Henry Kofi Asari Jr. King Vibro. Also, DJ Zigibi at him our MCR. Or just say Yaman Soro. I will come on, fight, yes. Big man, as a woman, Miss to be a come on, man. And the Mammy starting for Guinea against Gambia. Opening game in the Guinea ball, a 1-1 against Cameroon. Gambia lose 3-0 to Senegal. Omumino Asia. I didn't know sharing.
Well, I'm hoping to see a beautiful game because with the Guineans, they play good football, and that was the reason why against Cameroonians, they had a draw, and even with that, they took the lead, and later with a man down, Cameroonians, Ebenya equalizer. Gambians also, they lost their first game against Senegal, and the favorite for this tournament, losing 3-0 against Senegal, and coming in today's game against Guinea. We're hoping to see how they will bounce back from that 3-0 defeat in their first game. And also with Guineans, their 1-1 draw with Cameroonians. A win today will help them at least get a slim margin of qualification, because this tournament, we have third best and they can qualify as a third best. So we're hoping to see beautiful game as well. But in this game, you say Guineans and Ahwading Ebro Gambians in the Sokakra. So if at the end of the first department of the game, now Guineans in the Eteki a leader, I wouldn't be surprised at all.
I know, and Kofi every year. Mekola and Apuna Kofi, so actually 2 teams, and so on. It's a same free Guinea. Goalkeeper Ibrahim Koni, another post to defenders, Abante Diakiti, and also General Sansona. Janvier or Genechiro Diakabi, and I think so. Branton area Sila, on the general midfield, no Iliad Moriba, and I think so. Branton area Abdullah Turi, on the general FIFA front to many Branton area Gualavogu, Sansona, Abrantia, the team area Aguibu Kamara, and I think so. Branton area Seko Sila, up front, I Branton in and so Mohamed Bayo. Oko Gambia catch a Branson guy at a post to Mendy, Sansona Corley, Gomes, and a Django. Midfield and Abrante Dabo, and a Finsono Sanko. Up front, Abrante Fedra, Jallo, Corley, and a Finsono Musa Baro. Winning Brante Duakwa, as I see Erema Afenumia Govi. What expectations of first afternoon?
Well, Nana, Sanya Fie Kayano, wash game we are, yeah, Babe witness. Na Oshe Guinea for now on paper almost external favorite because of the quality ekra womo any footballer or Cameroon a boy in their opening game. Our bra even number 10 against 11. You how now omo determined omo air focus now at the end of the day air sacrificing on the field so made me any results, and of course omo 8 me 1 point, and they still have this kind of mentality. Said this is a game so mu win here a bit me am advantage to advance into the next stage of the competition, and obviously omo say at the end of the day no one be come na oma take one more chances because they have quality. One more any Gambia for no able to me about, but football there won't me underrate opponent. A woman say Gambia for no underdogs and a mobile game we move. But ya hunu how na do this stage minus no so one to approve a point. But I believe say this game the Guineans has the quality. They have this particular teamwork for a very long time, and we are looking forward. Say at the end of the day, no, one more able to me akekanyama SCNE na my them, one to me a winning this particular game. And Tinana, I think say Yebenya a very nice game, but for me, many every year by Abjane say within the first department of the game, no say if say Guinea for able to me take you more chances there, one way to me take the lead.
I know Henry Kofi Asar Jr. Ken Vibro and also name come on and so no I don't know mention give no and so be shall say but my fan a circus here and from Betway or say Getway more or see no or the cash out offer no and so about mention Emma Timbako and sell bets that yes here a bit of channel cost no with me a usika and so Betway account and with no yan in time and register or the Betway cash out offer so now so cash out big from a Betway unyamro mfie do watchia memfa ho enjum sanso na utwa now the agenda come at our Betway or say Getway more bell eyes or say a China weekend that here a year because so parties are all done because so boys and girls mobile setting it's a motto to be kakra and time AD him dia hamno na be ma setting I deno a bell eyes a drink see empenyifo no mudi ni e ba na lemon sanso na orange pineapple yawo vodka mix no and so one afin so no bell ice whiskey cola Bell Ice Whiskey Cola. Obu Bobia. A fat bruta. And Quadano so APA no kosuku. Omo few no menum drinker. And one Bell Cola. Sounds on a tropical no oh Bell and you know squeeze orange. And I think so fruit cocktail no and also Nina no Bell Aqua, Ninsano Akuffo and so nadia ba Bell Ice. I see me feel it pa. And then you can follow my vista. And I was sending to coupon. And I will follow you now. Monfan Konano and Corbana secondary courses in our year business, general science, general art, home economics, and our things on visual arts. No, Ninano, Loma Vista, IPS, Edu Jabana, technical and vocational so. And also a remedial classes no tea. Wako was seen and far open baby as idea. Now just remedial snack on kind of amount here. And one Loma Vista. IPS Akropong-Akuapem police station in Chaope and Loma Vista and so now forms 150 cities oba onsa abeka bi okuman radio ha and I feel school no just you and also bodem na maunsa and kabi Loma Vista or see educate challenge and inspire sounds so na know a chapaya construction and general and sabra now feel blocks I would know that everything I saw and I could see wood and about hollow blocks 5 inches 6 inches on Sabeka solid blocks 5 inches 6 inches on Sabeka iron rod cement sounds so na ensure over a chapaya construction and general merchants as well. Sabeka be at free a hall or Dell South here filling station opposite a hall and a Japaya construction and general merchants. I will all live band so ye Jumedi Bia now Yumu here was here and one a Japaya the live band and a day Yansono never bought our here Ediamao Amaniama Conca into court. Now Japan and so in the and come now 2 Fingers Laundry and Cleaning Services. Some countries say a baby be a fat cleaning one or no so about Ediamao office no abofi cleaning one if you know but so general cleaning now 2 Fingers a year cleaning services are obeshe Amaniama Conkai and so no at media amount to hotels no ti monfreno na morning in komo na mo cleaning no onye emfa mamo sounds na year B and J Ventures ti Blossom and Greatness Ventures say Abana dancing when ama onu di muntinti mai. All man pon Akuapem say POP cement and I say ope tiles oton plumbing materials and I say polytanks awodo no bra na beto FFE Blossom and Greatness Ventures and so na so ye man pon Akuapem ho ana wo tubo urama onsa ebeka ye B and J. Now, so what to me any needing come or breakfast in or say, do you know Papa dear, Yang and your ton say fried rice, jollof, then you know Benjabi, ID or breakfast in the Akropong-Akuapem, a whole and a breakfast in. And so I want to baby girl on a moonpie, now when you don't moga, Kramundi, Namun to be, then you man conkai and farmer my breakfast in. And I may come for Ediama. Game Rasha say, Ziggy, for 2 million and 5 hits, let's say Gambia, and I feel so my idea the Guinea. And I'm also Eddie Elboy into the Vuzela sound in Tuma, Naniama, and so at me, Akoso, Ediamantin, Tom Steinfeld, and a coach, and my Gambian born as so far. About 3 minutes born about the Gambian Tower, Abrantanidi, and so no Eddie Collie, on the quick report, and so in defense for Gambia. Or the Bono, Pananim Pink, or Abrantanidi, and so no Eddie Mendy, a question Edama Collie. To Gomez for Gambia, the Banifa from a Prantanity, and the Janko, now Sanfa, and the Atiafa su Guinea Nepa, America Baba, now Serabi Gambia, on my born in their fruit. Gambia, you their fruit. Gambia for Chirikin is a and Sana Moye, Adia, Yajama, Unitum, and Sana Mobile Mudentino, Yania Bresemo. Guinea, the last time mobile phone. Omo president that no military leader catch them say mobile phone na mfa e ka ya bom mu bia mbacha tua enti omo ba yi so ya sa de sankra na mo to mani abre ga blasters ye yomu panke ye panke ke bia e bo blaster nka amfa omo nchetua ka kente ni de abele omo bona babedi Gambia now so that be Guinea for intercepted ball in defense. In defense for Guinea, see that what Germany are confirming. Babedi Ben kuma from Sila. On also to me, they are my Branton in Ere Kamara. Kamara, Tietia Sano, the one thing as a chachabo. And I question my goalkeeper, Barima. Conning at the Bonipa, Guinea. On also Germany in Ere Janvier back to Jacobi surging forward for the Silly National. Opponent Tintin at about 50 FM. Obetimaka Nasrebi. Gambia Nepa Abrantian Utin Are Baro Yamananko and Yatia Fasu Nasrebi. Ababedi Gambia goalkeeper Guy Obonu Bim Maria Sinse Nasrebi. 9 interception Eliad Moriba and Tumanko Abedi Guinea Neba Nasrebi. Yamanakwai Abrantian Utin and Sonade Sila Amakwai Seko Sila Bonababedi Gambia Pinkuma Fem Gambia Nepa Brantian Tin Yare Janko Pasro Debi Guinea when about Baru Obetumachana while cross the ball Debi Bonamfa Nanka Abrantia Baru or Shisha Brantian Tin Antoine Ibrahima Koli Nansanfa Hey Bonnie, I shared that match. I'm going to DJ Ziggy, or heavy. Oh, yeah, heavy. Papa. Never bread. I want for bread. Then one or two groma. I want to know. Heavy. I want to can. Now, it's here for maybe on the wow. If you are Timon at all, Pedienti. And there's a guy with pure Bube heavy, Bube the master yaro. Oh, we heavy. Bube there, I see, I know idea about Akuffo to remote. Say, oh, Steven won't have open remote there. A Bube, as a bra. Now remote on the top. I know this have a fire that's him now. As a boosting me energy, no, and you know, calf wrestling and that's what him on call Patrice Musepe. Confederation of African Football President Africa. Your boy, you know, Nipo and Patrice Musepe. And Yatia Faso Guinea Nabano, Koli, Akuyanam, Abba, Gambia. Hey, someone in our cool, you know. I need to know find your Bonababedi, Guinea, Jacobi, Piana Mani, goalkeeper Ibrahim Koni. Koni sweat jam with about Branton and Janvier surging forward for the Silly National. Or the Apan Finfiliaj Moriba 10 a pop pass and actual chat. Kamara Guinea, Gambia Makwai, Baro, Abrante Koli, beautiful 10. Or the Koni Fafem, and here Gambia, Abranton and here Janko Naba Abba. Hey. Ajini ya jumani periano bere. Ajini ya jumani periano bere. Inti. Let's say Senegal already on match. Cameroon are born 3-1. Since Senegal qualify, Cameroon so at no calculation. There's how many Ghana in United. And so at your calculation, Cape Verde and now I said 3-0 are qualify. The group Egypt and Ghana will know Cape Verde the first. African football is a born obi umbo. And I am powerhouse of Africa, Brazilian of African football. You 2 years ayaje and 9 yaje and so any 2 years near me say Cape Verde on population you know 600,000. Nipe gumadina and also saying Cape Verde minor. So many nipa 27 Edo Maba Abeshe Ghana. Yeah, 32 million. Yes, I did. Abrochiro for class have a count. Still, Jan Twaso. A bay Republicans, Yeni, Guinea Naba, your channel network, referee Mauritania, CFL, Etia, Gambia, Abrantian in the Jean Lavogu, Onoko Chaye, Ogocha. Kucha Brantia Gomez Arenato. The free kick or Benkuma Fem Guinea for Iliad Moriba, fine boy, no fair. And Rasta Kakre be the groom so. I don't know. As if I need him. A free kick for Guinea. Eliaj Moriba. Bakumia Waya de Simo. Guinea. Demi. Yaida Fluo. And Yatiafa so Gambia Nebano. America. Wachio. Nansarabi. Encore referee saying. I say my friend don't sleep. Wake up. Yeah. So Uncle Senegal is nobody that form. Now the referee foul. Adiatia. The Gambians. 10 minutes into action. Gambia 0. Guinea 0, yellow card Aquadiama Mohamed Barrow. Mohamed Barrow. Yo, you Mohamed in for an idea initial one as a real Barrow. I'm on church in Yamenzo Muana, Elias Moribo Guinea. We Mohamed Barrow now, Kucha. You know, the Barrow man. Hey, let's see how the Amano. Mohamed Barrow. What's the Amabran says Janvier? A review near the other straight my issue. Other Fonsi Akuya Tiasama. It's Janvier at a form reference. Wow, I want team, Bob and answer what so what? I say, okay, referee Mate. I was showing him what it team in American final. And Momo Melo Akoso Jamapa, Mafo Chusoloku Abidjan Yade. Hey, Abidjan Yade. The free kick for Guinea. Kamara, the small boy danger. Kamara, the small boy danger. The Ginachiri, Obejam Nama. Apranti on the Niade. Gualavogu ana. Gualavogu Ginachiri. Eliaj Moriba. Watching was it. Kamara, the ball, Gambia Sono. Ayapla. Gualavogu. Wachamudi Kamara, Bakumi Yemiansa, Guinea, Dabi, Ponisa, a corner for the Silly National of Guinea. It was a nice delivery from a Prince Kamara. Now, so Gambia McClellan lines, corner. Kamara. Obabe jina corner nechi on the set piece be honorable. This answer on what it's honorable. Corner for Guinea. Kamara. Bakumi Yenumiansa Wapunuto. Waidia Simo Dabi. Yidia Fruo. And yeah, born inside Ababedi Guinea. Nifafam. Wapiana Majakabi. Onuswa Jam. 1-2 Nasu. Guinea Nabano. Wasura Jani Nasu. Reference today. A penalty and answer. Aha, now a penalty. Azamasa, sorry, me Kuyanim. References, sorry, me Kuyanim. References, sorry, me Kuyanim. Referee Nanka Guinea a penalty. Abrante Gomez was there contact.
Yeah. Don't think referee Nankasano or better review this particular incident because we say first tackle on the AFR, but on my advantage and my player no error in the 18-yard box, and we say Abrante no call down. Meet me say a soft tackle there, but sometimes there are some referees view of her. We meet me review. Not per the first incident, we're taking decision if you are not a penalty area more. But when you look at how the incident happened, referee here not been a ball and foul, and I allow my player because I think it's a very heated game, and I hear within the first 13 minutes. And then Unim say last I think 2022, Omokoye no round of 16, Gambia for Yasha Guinea 1-0, AU Mufimu, and Omode. Revenge be asho ma adwin say kan ne was so share na eno so no bo ntina ma yenya a heated game within the first 13 minutes ntina I think say we are in for more action. Yaka
Gambia samno re Gambia o shosho mo FIFA ranking no so a we are seeing na ma bobo no Gambia otoso 126 o achiusie o achire na Gambia the first international game of boy was in the year 1953 on the 9th of February on the Sierra Leone boy Sierra Leone 2-1 Satana Gambia friend British Gambia and they what then into a friend of the Gambia. Now the biggest defeat was in the year 1972 on the 14th of May. Yes, I know 8-0. Now guess what? On my channel, Guinea Korea. Guinea 8-0 1972. And yes, I know Gambia the biggest win. And so by in the year 2002 on the 13th of October, bra, Ochile Soto, Esano 6-0. About the Nations Cup, about the Premier, winning the second time. Seno kind the first time by our the last year edition 2021. Omudu quarterfinals. And see, this time around, now say so to come in because the first time we do quarter, second time there's at least do say me ana go be. Let's say me bebu ana final.
Do quarter cry never. Say a progressive movement. It's nice so more come in kakra.
Gambia. The Gambia Amonono. Bona Babidi, Gambia, Binkuma Fem, Gambia, beautiful turn from the Gambians or the Quetchere, the Mabranton, the Koli, Ada Bre, Janko to Abrante Gomez or German goalkeeper, Guy, Obo Amanfo, hey, one no. Sakura Mai, or Bobona to be crowd. Sakura Mai for Guinea. Abrante Turi, Tirunzano, and ya Guinea Nabano, Kamara, Akwe, Kamara bedding, or the Masili, ya crossy, hey, Akwe Wakwa. And yeah, linesman say, offside. Offside. It's here, the Silly National of Guinea. How many abre? Now, so Janisa president and go in Emre. How many rough? Also, I say. How many rough? As was here, Beba. Omoya rough aso baba ane Gambia nepa apabedi nifa fam Janko wajamu de ama Abrantia Koli or the Aquetchere de ama Gomez asanya one defender Koli our center circle. Gambia swinging passes together wajamu ane Gambia neba Gambia omobo bibi pa tupa soldiers Gambia abone tente the abani fam. And yeah, Debbie, Amfa Gambia. Master Mo 20. Maybe I tell you every go about to get a woo. And yeah, Abio reference that far at Guinea. Yellow card will soon. Yellow card is sorry about Guinea Abrantia Diakite Kwakocha. The yellow card according to Ibrahim Diakite. Akochanti with the yellow card. Ulusu possession. Adama Gambia Branton into a corner. I said, my friend, why are you going? I said, I'm going to score. I said, my friend, no way, stand here. See also the Amano. It's an infringement for the Gambians. Ibrahim Koni, goalkeeper ma Guinea, I say, Masa Munya Woni. Ibrahim Koni, or Papa. And here, Gambia, Baro, Gambia, ya Pimidia Frua, Bonasamba, Gambia. Hey, I don't know. Let's go, yes, you. Hi. Yeah, I am fireball serious, Anka. Anka Nipa, Kabana, Moshe TV so. Kamoshe TV so. Can you not keep passing? Mamma, back pass, Mamma, that's my We read this social media and I was a Ghana for my grand. I don't grant a memory mukrum. And I made a back pass. Come on, I'm a pound with them. We was like a more sarcasm with them.
And I say, Anka, tournament, Krawuye, Wankasana, Bepakuniama.
Football last time, I mean, was that? And come up, boss, our back pass, and I'm a boss, I come in Egypt here when Abraham come pay me. I got two say, no, not last me, my back pass. I got last me, no, my back pass. There they are going to check Ghana. Be having my Ghana, because we reach straight. You will explain that. Where he comes, next match, my boy. I don't kind of be my boy. Say, Bian said, Jordan needed to go to boys. Someone can say, some more. Power Gambia, Gambia Bobby, bet to it to them. And can you make life savings in our GD Aguso? Yeah, Gambia to score 2-0. Now they which they will life savings in here. That's a watch upon on your query. And your Tifaswa as was here never. Gambia, Gambia never. Yabo pass no one ever far. A branch anything and so no, Coliana, Wafapono, Gambia, twist and turn Wabo pass no Nasrabi, Yay Fluo. The Jipon in the Fluo. Bonus, I'm a bit Gambia film. Every year, as a Gambia, I take control of the game.
Well, the tenacity of the game now as a sacra Gambians SL good football for now. We say their interpositional passes, everything go through for them. And also at the back, they are settled and calm. Just a Guineans, Omunya born ever anymore, or home pro say on go. And for the Gambians, they are calm and they are playing and selling good for football this evening.
Gambia Bobby B, join your live on Facebook. Akuman Radio 97.1. Hey, you natural French Abraham and Abayere. And I did Mecca French. But say you know. I say Guinea for natural French Amameno. Abayere. Young Guyanim Junior Eddie Boss is a draw game. First half. Oh, Uramo bet to Americas here. Uramo bet to say first half draw. Now they are two. Well, I savings where you our account now they are toso. Some bubbles now or here one of our toso. And I'm fine going to feel. Fear into a cream over too. But way, I said, get way more. Ziggy, we are French on what trouble no. Share. Mingumi when you say. Mingumi when you say. French and the AC classes are Namijay. We so they are electing French and Gaza. I said, actually, I don't know what you did. Then kind of. Bonaveri Gambia. Now, so that be Atiafaso, Guinea, Moriba, Wachamudia Turi, Tura Pierre Wabenkuma from Sergeant Forward, Guinea, Wabo Pasano, Silla, or Chesha Kamara, Dabi, Yamanoquai, beautiful interception. Safety first. Ajua Pokia Wanam. Still now, Odi birthday no. Ajua team Maryland, US, and then Ajua birthday. The Ajua Pokia Wanam. Yamin Shirao, happy birthday, Ajua. There's still now, or that's a PRO, Edma Berekum Chelsea. Berekum Chelsea or Ghana, Berekum, and Ajua say PRO, team US. And you know, Ajumana no, say before they say online. PR Ajumano online. Bona Babedi, Ture was sentencing their qualified film. Guinea Nepa, Guinea, Jamama, Moriba, so there was center circle. Guinea, Abrantia Silla, Benkuma film. Odiama, another Silla, Nanso Anko. Guinea on the left hand side, your Abrantia Iziaka Silla, Anayawa, Abrantia Nideri Seku Silla. This is Anet here. Young Kuyanim, Kamara. The small boy danger with Jamu Adia Quachiri. Upon the tin captain of Afana, the 9 Wafa, across the ball now so that we one up him. A corner kick. A corner kick for the Guineans. Silly National of Guinea. Omanya corner. 25 minutes and apo. Guinea 0, Gambia 0. Total African Cup of Nations Cote d'Ivoire 2023. And then you made a commentary about Kamara waya kona no Dabi ya pemi dia free wo born inside asamba be Guinea obey dia sim waya dia sim o eh bona bobisa referee say ya to so born inside o Guinea eh one no born inside Kamara wa cross yo Dabi Bono atrase goal kick referee say o dia nya abotre bobisa me na me hu referee ose bobi nsa me na me hu anjala mobi anzaza footballers se da chi bi osora me hu footballer bi wo pa be ntokwa won kan kure we politicians and footballers never atia faso Guinea na ba no oba crossena Guinea Dabi yeah Abrantia Collie Shiponi de free. Oh, yeah, Juma as a defender was a nice defending from Coley. Ujana nice opa. Yeah. Aku was a has me for that. Aye, what are you saying? Awa kono. Then there is it. Utanga. Osen Ross on Sophie Guinea. And ya Guinea na ba no. Yeah, ya makwa yo dia cabinet manka. And ya Gambia someone to me answer dia kwa kwose. Gambia. Hey, Gambia no surabi. Nice interception from Abrantia Ibrahim Diakate. Chip on the free. I say wo me ma unko anka ma say kra. Da for my bona free. Guinea fo ni abre. Sansona Gambia fo ni abre. Gambia Brantia ba kwara form. Was on a bossa. Say referee. Ta kwedi na ba twa wo me bo ahu. Wabu me bo agum. Enti Gambia coach no de wo hwe ni tiri hu a. Enwini ne betuma kan. Bruni fita. Bono ekra Gambia. Babe de chire Abrantia Gomez. Wasan jam de Macaulay. Center circle nechi wasa omuji omudin so ampa jam de mani fafam Janko abo pass no Guinea say Gambia beautiful control from the Gambians where we in the corner Gambia nya corner ball ni di obi abo bibi hey classmates classmates and one aje a corner for Gambia. Or maybe be the free man Abrantia Jallo. Bakumi Mensa. Why a corner no hey. The GDF through Gambia Atia Faso Guinea Dabi Bim Nation Gra. Or Bono boom the through. Penwasem. That's just empty. Gomez GDF through. Hey, what the Mobantama. Nti goal kick ya opponent tem Guinea na Akropong-Akuapem Abrantia Sila Germany Amature Ture finfino sa Bema Tintin Gramo dia kodi fafem de Diakabi nso dia ba na Abrantia ne yade Janvier dia Akropong-Akuapem the captain Sila dia koma Janvier biem anonso ari pia de banamim Guinea Omo Pekako, Diakabi, 2, Abrantia ni are Moriba, or Jamuriama, Diakabi, so much Janvier neba Guinea, Omo Person Bomanim, Kakra, Omoba, Guinea, or the Akoni Fafam, Mariama, Moriba, Iliage, and also the Abatchery, Oriama, Janvier, Sa, born no dia komo Diakabi ade mama Moriba ade amano no so ade aban finfin Ture Today, about pass no Guinea. Hey, Mamma mia, what a miss from a Brontier Camara. Oh, Debbie, nice man over there. It was a big opportunity, ma. Guinea and Brontier Camara. Yeah, one money you cry. One money you cry. Nice defending. Yes, solid defending. Solid defending. Hey, parking yes in jail, Mr. Memory, Ibiawa. It was a big opportunity. Adama Guinea and Swanfa. A cooling break. A cooling break, 30 minutes now, ball. The Silly National of Guinea, 0. The Scorpions of Gambia, 0. Ovi, another. Yes, Africa, the Edina, Moasamna. Africa countries and Moasamna. Say, Teranga Lions of Senegal, Indomitable Lions of Cameroon, Super Eagles of Nigeria, Elephants of La Côte d'Ivoire, Scorpions of Gambia. There's the Uramudia, Desert Forces of Morocco. Carthage Eagles of Tunisia. Next Africa, they are Moasamna. Hawks of Togo. Next, Yene Musa. Moasamna. And Africa. Yedi. And I. Hey! Second, they go far star. Now, says I'm go far black. Yedi. Ghana, yam Moasamu. You go far star. Then we are far black. Where they are signing. Wait to the sample, but you want to sign very nice. Never see any cooling break, 31 minutes every year, still 0-0.
Well, we witnessed some good football in the Enumerate. From the start of the game and looking at the previous performance of Gambians and both Guineans, that we thought the Guineans were going to have an upper hand. But here lies the case that the Gambians has proven us wrong. And good football in the Enumerate. For now, you can say Gambians in the good football the Guineans are having the chances, but omudu enim ho a the agency omudu besen omo ho say omo go, and this is the time that they have to calm down, or else if the Gambians in any opportunity be no to make a good use of it, it's going to affect the Guineans.
It's going to affect the Guineans. Anana Burafane and Akofo free do tumsa. Yo skuna mi teacher ni bi Bruni oche literature friend Miss Burafosam. See where they Mr. Burafosam kadi agum yanku anim. Guinea center secretary and akwache dem Janvier to Jacobi ne ba bon club football ma Valencia or the Spanish Premier League anim or Spain obo personal ade ama wan Diakabi biem atofa so aso beba ani Antoine Faso Guinea neba Guinea omenyo pinanana Guinea bonapim go post no and say Guinea biem akoya nam ha Guinea the shot of bonapim go post no hey ani anopa bonapim go post no eka kete anga Guinea to atna Mamma mia. Oh, Debbie. It's go fi wena ka esa ka offside na za Guinea player no tram sa janga obaje ofana ade na no dey ya bu ayi
I think it's a player no one interfere with play, but I think it's a very nice strike. Just unfortunately Bono echo ball the goalpost and watch Guinea for now omo attack here although say omo to me ain't take possession of the game there, but anytime be omo build the attack kono na because omo time use the empty spaces where boy Banten boy now on say typically of what Sadio Mane on the third goal or share the tia Cameroon no or take his spot a place ball no, but unfortunately say and to me anchor into the goal post. But I think say despite game we heard Gambia for no airbar or more agency where nim honum no and shut that any all that effective compared to the Guineans, you know. if this will be the case, they are almost at the end of the day, no. Gambia be born in na ye baby no na Guinea assure match 3 points.
And Henry Kofi Asare Jr. King Fibro. Ninsam no. Gambia neba. Gambia Brantia calling defense. Germany among Gomes. Gomes ensure they come Finfi. And yeah, Guinea, Atiafasu, Guinea, Debbie. Wrong decision, Abranton take here. Gambia, Simon Tumansania, Yadi, Quaquase, Gambia, Neba, Abrantia, Baru, Neba, Mongwada, Mukrum, Gambia, corner. Mohamed Barrow Nani Abre Gambia coach Debi Biabeka a corner for Gambia. A corner for Gambia. Omenya bibi de free man at 36 minutes in the airport. Ya corner de Asimo goalkeeper Ibrahim Koni. Oba bechi bono. Who's on the owa. Do the fast rows and emfa. Hey. Mohamed Barrow. Master Mo. Uko ni fadi ya wasubeshi. So there baby atana why? Uko ni fa anja Konifa Aswesi Master Mo and ya Gambia welcome Gambia neba wale pasuno Abrante ni ade Jalo afabono Jalo ada kwechire ada kama call to Jalo Suli anamfa wanya true. Hey, the whole day with one that there. Guinea, Gambia, Obianwa, Debbie Bonnie say Gambia, a corner, Bonnie corner, Gambia Fueniabre, It was a nice move, nice build up from the Gambians. But Guinea for defending on the line here. Corner for the Gambians. Kuma 97.1 live commentary. African Cup of Nations Cote d'Ivoire 2023. Pathway, Pairwise. A Japaya corner. Yajedi Esimo Dabi Ibrahim Koni. Wayefro. Born inside Gambia BM. Gambia Okobosulia. Yeah. Emoti Akromu be inkache ani atia faso ya manokwan Guinea Twumhene Abrantia Sonko ti o Janko ni o Sonko waka Abrantia sila de na to form wa mananko enti Guinea ana sa babiem Guinea na sa babiem Guinea na samba biem. Guinea born and Kwankosiaga. 39 minutes still barring. Guinea 0. The Scorpions of Gambia 0. The two born in Tempaso. Guinea born abedi center circle Abrantia Jalo. Ukwekwa born sabo pass no de ama Abrantia ni din enso no ade Sanko atia faso hwe anko Guinea biem na samba America baba ya manokwan abedu Sanko hwehwe Koli ane referee ento aso Guinea na ba Guinea, this could be the opener. Derby. Mamma mia. Abrantia Kamara. Wasting all the opportunities for the Guineans. It was a big opportunity, lay pass. Selfish. Lay pass. Oh, Akuffo. Oh, yeah, we. Obijana when him lay pass. South Africa, the engineer call tournament. You better no walk up PC. Bruni. About shows this year. You better born in here. You waste opportunities, you know, chances in here. And a goal kick. See, a goal kick for Gambia. Podia since Mutenten. Why not it so? Gambia never. Now, so the Akabi for Guinea boom by the floor. I bet Gambia from Gomez also in Tabo, Santa Seco Sanko, Amfa, Ababedi, Iliaj Moriba for Guinea, Moriba, Ojibasa Paul Poba, Mole Pasuno, beautiful now, Yamananko. Referee, CFL. Referee, CFL. Etia Gomes. Julius, I don't know what check him as that one or down what happened. Master Mo, we are heavy. Chief security. Chief security, we are to go the area. Master Mo, you safe and I'm a young. We are the dam. We are very fine. Robson are rising. I mean, we are very fine. A free kick for Guinea. Liaj Moriba Jinachire. Kamara. Onusu Jinachire. 42 minutes in the ball. Still 0-0. Guinea 0, Gambia 0. A free kick. Goalkeeper by Waya. 4-man human war. And I'm on by Edurumian Sabe Urem, our Gambia box num, Moriba, honorable, Ojinachire, Iliaj Moriba, referee said, hey, Mama, or Bobo now, Oman, so the magic penalty. You. A free kick for Guinea, baby upon an Moriba, Bakum Yemiansa. What are they? And to win now, Ama, you waste your time, sir. I don't know. On the one and all, Popa. That Popa Zufi Guinea. It is Guinea Napa. They are quite ready, Ama. Janvier to Diakabi. Diakabi back to Janvier. Germany Ama Toure to Janvier. Iliaj Moriba, Lapia. Hey, Rafui. Young Guyanim, Diakabi, Santa Seco Toure, Ebebuakem. You could have more referee for Etia Gambia. And for Etia Gambia, Apono, now so Pona and Kwangosia guy goal kick. A goal kick. 43 minutes. 43 minutes. Batway as he get away more. Bear ice drink Osima Philippa. A Japaya Construction and General Merchant or see identify in Amanfo. Blossom and Greatness Ventures. Loma Vista IPS. Two Fingers Laundry and Cleaning Services. Ania Guinea, now so many coin. Abedu Gambia or the Kwanachi Osman Bukari and Osman Bukari Abem. Gambia, Guinea. For commercial and serious. Across Ebeun, across you. What a save! Hey, goalkeeper! Hi! Anka goalkeeper koche go. Yeah. What do you feel president ana? Was say. Oh, oben wa join Amini by force. Goalkeeper eke yeah. Koche go. And so no sama be chenari eh. Rasta man. So Jerry you say Rasta say Pemio. And here Gambia award there. Abrante Toure for Guinea. No one thing. Why say we go circle for Fana? Gambia never ya cross the ball no ya makwan. Toure wabe for or ya ma Guinea waboni bim dia since 190 so Sanko osimiti so apem adiama Gambia upfront Gambia and Cheda serious Gambia na samba Gambia or the Beko Benku Afem or the Ako Abrante Mendy over Crossiana or Mabwana to Wapia Adiama Collie the Aban Fifi why never Gambia hey Biakabi or the Nitiapim Amunsheni ye Ubida say ya ubetitim Abeko konana anko Guinea yibon de fro enti accountant abedi bibia be fine ane Gambia abedi o machire o Mr. Gideon into abedi bibia be fine Master Mo yaman Pon abedi ni fafem Beautiful na celebi Master Mo Wauna me pachire yaman enti Gideon into Poya Chidomsa alongside the Tibreka Sankasa, the general manager Star Kweku Poate Nana Kofi Okorachman Nano Tai Nano Tamia Nano Kwame Perry as Okumandi and Nana we have Okuman Palace and your Okuman Radio Okuman Palace Bella upon hey let's say Bella next week ye jram Bella ye for na paso 28 our Brew Presby Church ye jram okay Miami movie attacking throwing at 20 pass referee but the 2 minutes na to so aswanisa and ye Jalo be crossiana there be one crosser there come Sanko ne kura ball na there ba but jamu there ma Collie Gambia referee pon referee from Mauritania upon a band of Fedican in a Diabanavier Gambia 0 Guinea 0 and the Akuffo ability for our life savings coach. What's the first half draw? I catch us for our life savings in a Kubu in Abedi. Oh, bet to it. And the Ofedican Abanavia Gambia 0 Guinea 0. Every year, first half still 0-0.
First half 0-0 through reflection of the game because Gambians and Oman media group, Oman good football, looking at their passes are almost ball. The interpositional play, the telepathy, the understanding is there. They are calm. And even as the Guineans in the ball, the defenders will be online to get the ball back from their area, and this has really helped them. At the end of first half, because Anka Guineans need to be taking lead, but here lies the case. The urgency is very high, and to me Amfa ball and to Atenem. Sounds na Gambians and so they played good football, but almost could do Guineans in the half or more. Now also home pro second half no. I know say that's how the tempo is going to be, but whoever takes its chances will come out as victors.
I know and Akuffo free a couple of Fugumsa. Yakuyanim Henry Ofedican Abanavia.
No, I think game way a very crucial game because we share these two teams now. One say almost 25 times. We share Senior Aqua. I think they are in favor of the Guineans. I think somewhere we need 7 and Gambia for winning 5 and 13 a draw. And Nana, one interesting fact of the matter, no say, we share almost previous 11 games now, one more abona. Ayadea Guinea winning only 3 out of it. And everything tells you say anytime be a Oshia Gambia no a different ball game altogether. Now, Omunina so no a certain mindset at least 3 points on Mosaka. A bit to me abomo. But we share the total football I witness say within the first 45 minutes. Nasa we share sa game we now bisa say countries like Guinea and Gambia and a very nice football. Not even Senegal and Cameroon. Any high intensity football. Yashano within the first 45 minutes. It will be a say now no we share the efficiency of attack now. Ayadi Guinea for no and Omuluki so dangerous because we share mabo 3 shots on target and we share 3 shots even Gambia for now but none of them is on target and we share how much we are creating chances we have Guinea for now creating as much as 6 chances in this game. But then what they compare Guinea for creating only 3 now. And when we say Guinea for no transition to attack now very looking very dangerous because open up to the spaces and no use and move through the ranks at the end of the day no boa womo senia omutumi ekati no position omo and ade ba kwa me for say entumi yambo omo omu key striker Shegu Guyasi from Stuttgart went to me Amabi. And even when you look at the Bundesliga Krampona, the second top scorer after Hurricane, International Baby, Nanko Patana Muhammad Bayo, Ewe Nimwa, and I think say bit to me and Nabi Ketamo, who said because of injury, Amutumina Kanyansi, I can inform Guinea for no. Nana, you witness a very nice first half. Yamshanim said 2 coaches in Yinano, Kaba Diawara, Ebe to me. I'm a very nice strategy. Every man and ranting to me and win this game. But me, I still have the confidence. Per the game at Gambia for no air bono, Guinea for second half for Mupejo Mohamed Sokakra, or met me any other 3 points.
I know Henry Kofi Guinea and Zonozigi. Intra Homrana Yenye Awafo and Kratueba. Offer to me number 2. So Guinea 0, Gambia 0. Come on, 97.1.
Hey, we are how Jerusalem won. Unti Ifs Hills Hotel in Kayana. A hotel on Wasubia Akuffo man, Akuffo man, I the dead. Na hotel on Wasua a Honoko Hodia, Amoto so, Ebony Bambo, Ebony said, baby, a hot soon there, Hoya, Commonodia, a Holy Ifs Hill Hotel. Hey, Inti hotels are Akuffo Memoha. A Honti said, baby, a nano, Koya, one Yama Basa. Danga ukwada mukran tontume waden de bi if hill hotel de I want to sa na ne eye fene ya kono wo ho ne se abra wode wo nan si compound ho ape na automatic free wifi edam wo phone so na ba ne car park enso dia eye spacious a wo car net den benya ba bia park ye wo fan room se ho ne de obi wo ho a on pe air condition room ope ba bia fan bo ebi wo ho onso a wo pe air condition dan wo mu no so no eno so ebi wo ho restaurant enso e wo ho e ho no de aduan bia Pebia ubenya bi eye continental na anase local dishes oh minua ubenya bi edi wo ho papa na ne san ye fe wo ho ne se awia bono hyewa ba Ifs Hill Hotel se wo swimming pool a eson rana be gware wom na ye exercise ma wo ho ntumi nto eba no conference room a wo bi wo ho ho so papa san so na impa no so no ye wo queen size and king size wo yeseda na wo ho ento ni nyina no wo Ifs Hill Hotel
Akuapem hefa na hotel se wo
late Akuapem David Junction na sa wo hwehwe anwachi kwan dia obetimi afra won 0263 466 793 ana 0535 015 553 ni nyina no for reservation ana se enquiries bia no obetimi afra won na nwa yesa ama Ifs Hill Hotel, your hospitality is our concern.
Me adma miskin say black spots J-Menimbos. Na me read den swaye basa. Wager me a rewo any agenje. Kopem sebe yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of products ma'am. Glutathione no collagen component a ewumni siesie honam no. Etieni na emani ye fesronko. Hydroquinone nim. Enti emane ha okra. Gluta wide sebenshia. Wama me read the IFE. Ubenya bi o cosmetic shop ubia. Enkratwe FDA ajiatu.
Akuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye tie for ye panesenti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bi biara ene nwumekwa wo se. Sa wo pese ye bo ne ma dero edema wa ya ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra ana sa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Akuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefreyen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594 630059 ana 0246 246875 Akuman Radio ana okuapemayano.
Ago Ghana man Akuapeman latte Akropong so menya Emia make say we're from Ekua. May count for Akuman Radio Amawan. Akuman Radio a may count for Mahoney wo Akropong-Akuapem. Our Akuffo Road. Akuman Radio. Any Jane Sam, Odon Sam, and some qua Naza Okakahon. Akuman Radio. Saying Yawa. Akuman Radio. Saying Shiawa. Akuman Radio. Onapo.
money. Bro, I see now where the money. This is a photo, some boy has some money. Bro, I see now where the money. Oh, me the one, bro, I see now where the money. Oh, some money. Now the money come on the land. No one let us know what I love you, Joanne. Where the money? Love you, Joanne. Oh, girl, you're such a cutie. You're killing me softly with your beauty. I'm loving your booting, so break up for me like a broom stick.
Mushi, me ne popo mi ne woso mi ne gyomi, e popo mi ne woso mi ne gyomi. What in your madu mushi, me ne wo du kwen on the popo ne gyomi, the wo du kwen on the popo ne gyomi. What? Ayele, the lambie, no form, no dog. Now waiting God the plan yeah, go out with tonight. Shake it, mama break it. Today, so baby dance, make me dance, oh, a baby dance, crazy dance, my baby dance, alright, baby dance,
yeah, I like the way you control it, baby roll it, don't tell me long story. Tonight we go make history, we go give Baba God all the glory. I go kiss my ride like bowling, even Niger we there, let me spread money. Bedroom bully, let me give you sweet honey. Baby move like say you dey dance skelewu. We dey go Ghana, we go do Gwelewu. Baby tell me what I know fi do all the good. I promise I'm a honor, you be all doyewu. Captain to the planet.
I'll be your backbone, baby, don't you worry. If you don't pay, baby, know the theory. And everything I made, I beat the theory. And I go there fast like I'm on the lorry. Baby girl, I can be your lady. And everything they think it can be your lady. Baby girl, you go be my lady.
All right. Yes, I will be Akuffo and from Tosmienu. The match between Gambia and I think Guinea. Given a chance, still 0-0. Yigi energy yanko Bona Baba D. Prantian Ding area. Calling the pass and Amanfo. Ama Bono Etoya 2010 pass to Guinea. Goalkeeper Ibrahim Koni. Wapia area ama Prantia Diakabi so Jam de Akropong-Akuapem. Ariama Janvier to Sila back to Janvier Guinea. Prantia Diakabi. Kukaponisa Ponitin striker Mohamed Bayo now so fast to Guinea neba. Hey Toure Chibona de Antuna Boswa Jamu. Now see Amanfo. Harry, offer Tosmienu na chance here. Ariana option such a ben out Erifi afenin miru.
No, me say this time around two teams in no very purposeful anymore honor. Looking at how our Omashe game now, so the intensity of the game, you almost starting the first half now, and one and almost second half now. Say maybe I try say we be a very determined. Say 3 points, Nessa it to me can. Of course, we shall mind be to say Gambia how much me develop in their game, and of course I will show even normal players in the Krampona. Most of them now about these European, countries, So it also say football, say a develop a economy, and no game no more bana. And I'm sure him say, to me a crack game where I improve Kakrama and nice football. I take you more chances match or more bonus.
I know Henry Guinea Napa Bonnie a corner. A corner kick for Guinea. A corner for Guinea. Hey, I'm buying Pune, you come see. That's civilian. A corner for Guinea. New operation be our moko boy. Yeah, dear small Dabi. Idia through. And yeah. Hey, idia. You see both in us, I hear friends that I sing it. Bona Babedi Gambia Nepa. Or Bona Baby Viana. Poor decision South Africa, you're born as a you're putting in a final decision cake. And you are in penny food in France and about football. Bona Babidi Gambia, Sanko, Chamo, Adiama, Brantia, Koli, Amananko, Bonapim. It's a draw for the Gambians. Now said the Gambia. And Canada from British Gambia, but the found from the Gambia. Atia Vasu Guinea Bajaboro. Achira Wadenka Krabibika Krebu Etiwa. And Achira Brantia Kamara. The Chirin Bibika Krebu Etiwa. And the opponent and pass of Diakabi in defense for Guinea. The Pony Pananim Center, Sakonachi. Oriama Janvier Sukuro Krabono to Diakabi. On the bomb was Ansana Aquanim. Oria Banifafem, a Branton Ding, and Soare. Wala Fogu, the Passananko, Bonnie Cho, Ababedi Moriba, Iliad Moriba, and his aviation Mobu. And foul. And Falatia double, the double. Ture Munitias Lukakuti. Bonekura, Guinea Diakabi. The five feminine de Bonepa, Guinea, Obo Passanana, Diakabi, Obo Passano, Oriama Moriba, the Ochina one China and Yonu. The China to announce a referee step foul. A step foul, Adema, Elias Moriba. When I chips referee, as my friend, when you have a threat, see, born and young talker, so the BB any catch them. Guinea players to say referee Mate. And then you made the and some more course work. And I Formula 1 for one start. Formula 1 Dakar Rally Pa. Amanfo display of Kwanzo. I have free kick for Guinea, Kamara. And the Unitary, Binkuma Femo Sarima, Gambia for on a border. Kamara, Bakum, Numiansa, walk across you, Guinea, Dabby. What a save from goalkeeper Guy. A save you bono, come, Panka. Anga first go naba. Hey, a nice save from goalkeeper. A corner for Guinea. A corner and the Asinsemo. Hey, acrobatics. You two of you. Reference here. One Mukumo. Yantuaso. I throw the Gambia. Defensive throw in for Gambia. Guinea Brantia Bakura Guinea Brantia Bakura I'm say Abrantia Diakabi. Diakabi era form. Diakabi era form. Diakabi era form to temporary hold up. Temporary hold up. Temporary hold up. Guinea coach Diawara Shady everyone. Defensive throw for Gambia. 2-point tempo so Abrantia Mendy Abunu Boom Madefio about Guinea for Diakabi or the Intia Boom Zebum. Bonabedi Sanko Sudi Tapem. There's a trimpa yangwa. As you so be a Tia Sodiama Guinea Abrantia. Hey Moriba, ya Tia Sodiamano. The Tia Sodiama Moriba. Tia foul Tia Gambia. Referee by my yellow card na. Abrantia on the team yare. Jabo. Oh no. And I could try and see. I just foul. Yes, here. Pony foul. And my lad Moriba. Moriba, why are you saying mo Guinea? Hey, born inside. Branch Sila to another Sila. Petresa. A corner. A corner for Guinea. I say Guinea for second half on ACE. Under the pressure, see Gambia for also. 54 minutes near ball. Still 0-0. Guinea 0, Gambia 0. Okuma 97.1. Betway, Bell Eyes, Loma Vista, Yaya Konano, Debbie. Yidia Fruo, and a foul. Loma Vista, IPS. Osebrana Besuadia. Obano, AVHS, Opesina High School Aqua, Loma Vista. Business, General Arts, General Science, Visual Arts, Home Economics, vacation classes, no, and Corana Macquarie no Mutifio. No. Sir, you see, we make a match. You are Macquarie in the game of a school match. Over Corana, Nitini Diau. Fanabra Loma Vista, classes in the Diamano. Mamfi, Akuffo police station in Champania. Forms on 150 cities. Unsabeka by premises here Okuma Radio Yobi. And here Gambia. And Kachananfa. Hey. Akwe Kobon Kache. Oh, Kobon Kachananfa. Corner. Corner Adama. Gambia. YouTube for more heavy. YouTube for Omanchi commenting nafa Etinya pa akoshe. Ewo Kuma radio page on YouTube. Okuma 97.1 Rem. France for no. French country IE for no. Omanchi afa Etinya pa. Ka French akasiye. YouTube for more heavy. Chiaka sen confirm mo ya bo pass no na so be. Bonanko beautiful Guinea. Diakite ade akwache de my Ibrahim Koni. Facebook for no so heavy. And ya Guinea neba Diakite obodi akwache ya koma Janvier jamu ade ma Moriba to Janvier. And yeah, Abedi Diakabi in the 5 family Diakabi neba. 10 grams about pass and the Diakite. Patu Pano 1-2 Nafana. Now so Abrantia Mendy. What a defending. Mendy defending the lines. So we're winning through. Oh, Jiggy. Gabiru. Facebook for I'm having a new iron. He's in another day. He's in another day, Ziggy. He's in another day. Yeah, the mom was a mumbo. See, joining live on YouTube. Akuma Radio 97.1. What that I will feel you, sir. Born Ababedi. Hey, Alukovi. Where am I Schumacher now? Or the when I was cycling wa. Born Ababedi. Guinea Chido. Janvier. Pinyadi Amatia Kabi. Only 58 minutes. Still 0-0. Gambia 0, Guinea 0. And throwing for Guinea, Diakite. Atodia Koechire Ture to Diakite. Beautiful. Nansangwangu Siaga. And Kwangu Siaga Bona Trashe goal kick. Every 58 still 0-0.
Well, so far, temple of the game, you know, they are very high, papa, and the second half, Guineans, you know, Sunny, you know, the one did that, but the third half of the pitch now, puti ball at the back of the net, and no a problem because ball nina, but could do any more end results and at least you do on points, you know, and no for now, no to me, make good use of it. It's for now, no, what I would say is they have to calm down because if you try to be in a haste all the time, would do any more pressure everywhere also, and even to plant the ball at the back of the net, every problem amount. So they have to calm down. Zambians and also Gambians and also they also sell good football because for me, I will say the truth, I underrated them. But the kind of football Gambians and Abo in there, I'm really impressed, and they should keep it up.
They should keep it up. The City Crown Coach 90 Gambia coach, Guinea coach, our friend assistant say, yeah. You been for me, ma. Why you know? And yeah, Gambia, Atia Faso Guinea, Gambia, Manukai, Gambia. I want there. I want there. Gambia never, Gambia. They come from Gambia. Or Kobo Sulia hair. Nancy Amanfo, Diakite, and no Diagro. Diakite, Ediagro. Diakite, Ediagro. Gambia. A throw for Guinea. A throw for Guinea. Fourth referee, I say, Master Coach, and I got two ball. And I have two ball in the Akite, but Germany Amaturi, Ture back to the Akito, the Aquatre, and Diakabi. Diakite, Diakabi. Guinea Naba, yay, passing. And yeah, Guinea, Derby. Abrantia Sila up a penalty. What's over penalty? Now referee and here. Order from. It was a beautiful pass. And a big opportunity. Boy. Oh. Up a penalty, mom. Yeah. Nananka board the house was baba. Yeah, Nananka was baba. I born wa fano. One am Hana born and Amha. One nam Nifa born and Amigum. Govi. Wait a minute, yes, was a penalty.
Look at how the incident is here happening there. I don't think the referee in the bed. And one say, referee, we know, or you'll be I don't know because which incident now, maybe I'll prefer some of the VAR, no, on concussion. But obviously, no, your collective decision, and where to me I take it, and how I say in your bono, at least no bit to me, I a little bit better than what he did. And as much as went to me and your boni bono, I think this time around went to me and take a better decision. And I'm a bono echo over the lion. So far a go kick at the man, the Gambians, Nana, a very interesting game. And so we have somewhere around 29 minutes going to Yensha Sanya Ebeko. But for now, I think it's Guinea for now strongly.
Guinea for now, game no more. Amuntenai. Guinea, there be a premier through. Born in say Turi or the Abani far from the Ma Diakite. Guinea Naba, Omani Abre. Guinea, Turi. While I pass no, Debbie. And yeah, Gambia, Oceania Bano. Chase me if you can. America, ba. Hey, Osman Bukari. I know you're Naki Williams. Come on back pass if you ask what you Gambia and such a you. Gambia, Oma and such a you know. Barima, the ball were free mama. Abrantia Niade, Hamza, Barry, Wabem, Sansona, Abrantia Aliu, Fadera onu so afiri mama branta ne de Yankuba Minta eri anka Minta pa o ye Yakubu Minta oh ya sure say Yakubu Minta ti Yankuba Minta wapem the two substitutions ana Guinea foye Bone kra Guinea Gambia goalkeeper bone bim hey agoy na muche captain de Guinea Obama kwana wa makwa wa chem na Janvier Guinea box no no so bomu bim dia sinsemu bomu bum dia sinsemu Guinea fo ani abre Gambia mo so ani abre 64 minutes still barring Guinea 0 Gambia 0 Okuma 97.1 Betway Getway more Bell Eyes Ania Gambia Odina China ko Bell Eyes Osima Philippa Guinea Bonabedi Moriba Liage Moriba Pia Pasono Amfa Gambia ya mane kwan Turi wa mane kwan referee foul etia Turi foul etia Turi Loma Vista IPS Blessing and Greatness Ventures I say adansi oni amabeto Blessing and Greatness Ventures Amanfo Abutachi on there's a gas filling station in Champe. Wana BNG Georgia Etim Gambia Obasha no crossing. Now to goalkeeper Ibrahim Koni will make it save no air corner for the Scorpions of Gambia. Yankuba Minta Obemu Chae are making caution. A corner for the Scorpions of Gambia. A corner and the system. Oh, hi! Now, so a foul, referee say foul. Brantia Collie was sumo bin national referee say foul. A Japaya Construction and General Merchant blocks on about hollow. Solid 5 inches and 6 inches. Unsabeka. Cement say gasem. Diamond cement. Ninyina benya. Iron rods. Size biya unsabeka. Guinea. Yamana kwai. Sansona. A bunny laundry. Cleaning there. 2 fingers cleaning and our 2 fingers laundry and cleaning service. 2 fingers laundry and cleaning service. Brackers in Osibedidi brackers in Akropong-Akuapem brackers in Baba Tina Sekama Ajojo ono wajiji. Yantuaso Bona Babidi Guinea Janvier Wapem Bona na Sanko Bebia Gambia for na Club Lines Sanko Ajamu Diama Baro and so they are actually Adiama Brantianity and so they yeah, Collie to Barry so Adiama Janko Adiama Collie in there for so beautiful. Collie never Gambia Jalo to Collie now so there be Amfa Guinea for defending very well Afe Gambia for so omo breni aduru omo so Bobby aduru mi so syndrome na fe na adu Gambia so Gambia for akwa twa Gambia for akwa twa koli wa akwa twa no come asan how yeah foul etia Gambia captain Coley. Omar Coley on a captain of Gambia. Bon club football or Tukai Ayataki Arma Besiktas. This season, about 12 matches, Asha 5 goals. Kofi defender. 12 matches, Asha 5 goals. Striker be minimum about 2 years, Asha 2 goals. And the Guinea, a goal. Kamara. Wabogo na dia Guinea and Nadia Bijan bayad Mamma Mia. Yay! Guinea Abogono. Guinea 1, hey. Baby Amo, Bobby. Guinea opening goal.
Nana, I'm not surprised. Na Osha Abrante Agibu Kamara. When him say Obo Astrometers Athens. Now a very good player. No wonder. Even Osha this winter transfer, some of the teams, one more monitor Abrante, and I wouldn't be surprised. Say you rather summer transfer window or meet me Akuffo Abrante at the end. But it's a very good game. And Nana, I said it in the first half. Say Osha game a Guinea for boy. It tells you say one more creative chance there. But I think say do baby a not final decision, and to me and almost share second half yes Mausa Kama Diawara to me I use another strategy because in the first half normal ball 4-2-3-1 formation, but yes second half yes the same formation but almost attack here who's a way attacking dynamics and almost a use almost create the space no almost use the space and no and to me abuoma almost build up to attack I am very excellent and now my purpose for any honum Ediama Guinea or my taking lead. They deserve this particular goal or my to me and they need this 3 points because when next game Akuffo against Senegal when we say we qualify about football there narrating any team and this particular pointer where to me at least a bit to me abuano master when ni one toss me to me out as a third best place team now to me qualify. So kudos to the Guineans, they deserve this particular lead.
Guinea 1 Gambia 0 go Kankatsi Kamara, that's my boy danger. Samansa boy. Nana Guinea at Athenedikai.
Well, second half with Temple Guinea is in a bobo. No, I'm not surprised they might take a lead. Said American kind, not their final decision and a problem, but looking at the chances are Omonia and also the spaces they created in between the Gambian defense, and then amount go for now because we saw say go nearby, the defender was late. And that was the space now creating in between, and to me, this goal. So they should top up this performance because if they lose guard, I think say Gambians will come back stronger because for now, Gambians, their eyes are on the ball and as they are selling good football, they will be hoping to at least get an equalizer. And I wouldn't be surprised if they get it if the Guineans fail to be on guard.
And the Guinea and such a Gambia Raja Omaya Motel substitution Abranson Nidari Ibrahima Koli Wafri Mama Mohamed Badamosi Mohamed Badamosi Wapem Guinea Every funny go on as a Gambia Batica, Brennan Krabby and a bit much. And here, I want to be nation. The Akabi stood in the table. The Piano Biase, referee say foul. Mendy. Wako Piano Biase into referee say foul. 73 minutes. Guinea 1. Gambia 0. Guinea 1, Gambia 0. Kuma 97.1 live commentary on the forecourt of Akuman Radio. Nanyu Ejrem Africa Cup of Nations 2023. Your commentator AKM alongside Kim Vibro and Akuffo free DJ Zigibi Atem. Astamu Aira. Hey, Argovi. Na Master Moe. Channel, we. It was a big opportunity at the Guinea now, so born Akuapem. Go post, no. Cow. Hey. Oh, Ziggy. I mean, yeah, I'm ready for my hand to us. Bono, Ekra, Guinea, Yabo Pasono, Gambia, Jallo shoot Tebeu, Wapo shot! Debbie, it was a big opportunity. It was a big opportunity, Adema. Gambia now so Brante Jallo. The shot no one answer. Mamma mia, what a miss. What a miss from the Guineans and Gambia second goal. Now so Bonamfa was a big opportunity. Nanso Amfa Brantia Mohamed Bayo. Bono boy and Akuapem crossbar, cooling break. And a cooling break. Osheni Pabe PM Stadium wa 19,822. 19,822 spectators. And Omabe PMU and Sono our Charles Konan Bani Stadium our Yamusokru. Charles Konan Bani Stadium our Yamusokru. 19,822 spectators. A cooling break at Jinsio. Guinea 1, Gambia 0. Guinea 1, Gambia 0. Guinea and Sacha. The man himself, Ebem Nabi Keita and Chobebem. It's your branch and the Gualavogu Morgan Wafrim Ama Nabi Keita, former Liverpool man. Onuswapem Nabi Keita injury into one chassis. Seku Soilo Wafrim Ama Fascine Conte Wabem Ti Dini French Fascine Conte Wabem Nabi Keita, the Shen so baby. Former Liverpool man. And he upon club football Germany. Adema Wada Bremen. Shen career moi. Shen Boba Kensia say. Ewo Bobo Kwa Freno. Istra Ewo France. The team Kopiemu and so Austria Kobodima. RB Salzburg, both 2 seasons Free Salzburg 2017 PMO RB Leipzig Germany, and also about 2 seasons in the year 2019 and a Liverpool coffee by Abranti no near Manchester and Famano Liverpool nemum about 5 seasons. What's the Abu Boy also here? Liverpool about 5 seasons. Kofi at the moment. The first season to make it 25 appearances. I said 2 goals. Following season, I make it 18 appearances. I also say 2. The third season, I make it just 10 appearances because of injury. 1 goal. And on the 4th season, and also make it 23 appearances. I shall free. Just last season, injury. It's a branch and about just 8 matches. Edema Liverpool. 1 ago. This season, Werder Bremen, Ibrahim, about just 3 matches. Naby Keita, Nanko prospects bar. Now so Ibra Yarepa. Tamu Jisikana Momonye. And ya bonu boom. Etirempaye. Abedi Fifi, Abrantia Barry, Rakwachirediama, Uma Colley, Captain, Abon Tinfuture, Minta, Gambia, referee today, linesman, Ojinaso Pime, as outside. Linesman Ojinaso Pime, as outside. Yeah, goalkeeper, they are fun to cry. Ponusulia outside. Offside. Now defender wada. Goalkeeper swada. Way. Obi. Guinea form when you carry goalkeeper Ibrahim Koni. Way. Wada obono. Way. Oh, go be adio.
Well, I think the defender no dey credit everyone because a better decision and I will take here and watch baby a ordinary angle ordinary any baby or place ball no on say 50-50. But at the end of the day, the moment I'll be to me a goalkeeper no. Now obviously where to me and you go Ediama with team no. Nana, I think say watch Guinea for now. One more about a very tactical game. What's player responsibility? Our mateki and no abwa amayehu certain interpositional changes. A team. It depends on the tactics system and information. Coach Nitinya Dikaba Diawara Ediaman Mrantena within the first 81 minutes. One more ateki the lead, and I think say I was concentrated throughout the 90 minutes because football there. Bibi abed and bet to me SC. Gambia for no bet to me aba be shocky or more. But there's still no. I think say no game management no and one more air so bet to me I'm maintaining 1 goal no.
Gambia say na si anye Gambia en sachraye. Sonko wa free mama Ali Sowi wabem. Ali Sowi born club football Turkey. Adama Ankara Kogu, yeah. But this season, Charamfa 12 matches, 3 goals. Yeah, this will be about 57 matches, or 6 goals. And so I forward. They need that also. So baby, Bintino, and every. So about 12, I shall try. It will be about 57, or 6. Now, Brazil was striker. We know about Brazilian League Govi. About 95 matches and she go or a striker. Young Kuyanim. See striker. And you saw a forward or number 9. About 95 matches one she go. Penalty were torn so no move. About say no. Strikers or me more Jordan D Mr. And yeah, Gambia. Yamane Kwan Jacobi Achira Warding air corner. Oh, nice man into outside Wamani Pabresa. Oh, More hard do more hard do. Oh. But you outside one man nipa brown Mr. Wanyakwana yeah. Boy, yes, I go to post to put out chain say yeah. It's in a big offside. And in a referee and you go no. Kasuri apa. Keep on there now Ibrahim Koni. Coach Diawara Ocean body ya. They are sure so Johnny Army. Johnny the Guinea Army na hesa body way there. Yeah man fan go chikwa. Bono Ekra Guinea. Kamara Assad 83 minutes now share America Kamara to aboard ma. Akwano kuma. Anye Guinea neba. Guinea left hand side. Guinea second goal bebana. Oda baby na born that baby. We. Anye Gambia say man shy Kotika. I say where are you going? I'm going to score. I say any abwa. On not to form. Yellow card bakwana. Referee or Abutrapa. On this Anthony Taylor. Red crowd, no red. Guinea neba Omar Colley in defense of Pia Personal. And ya word there the Akabi no what things say Trekunguno. But Jamu and Fifian from Barry. What to pass no Diakabi once again. On who do Akropong-Akuapem Diakabi. Timothy and ya Gambia Debbie hi side nothing Abrantia Chalo. Oh Debbie Guinea for baby I do the Ajum be defend ya Guinea answer such a remienu 4 for fish and then line 2 over 3 there. Better form. Iliaj Mori better form. Nabi Keita the coach said on that boy no de chone nkasa. On nkasa na etika na so Iliaj Mori better form. Enyo sure so betuma to aso. Iliaj Mori pa. It was a big opportunity at the man Jalo Sanko Betenica. That's when your connection here. Bono Ibrahim Koni the answer be a babeshe, be a baby my beshe. Nana Kofi Freewa, King Vibros wa. Hey, I'll go there me ungo wano. Antoine Conte Wapema Babeyi Ibrahim Diakite Adinafrim Sansuna Iliaj Moripa Wafri Mama Prantan Diare Amadou Diawara Upon club football Mandalage our the Belgium Pro League in the and ya Guinea Amadou Diawara from AS Roma Ninama and our Anderlecht. Hey Mupenia mobile boy Mwana mbupia nanga wai Mokwa monga che mo boys and say mo pia kantino almost all them out. Born Joe Master Mo still na hey and yeah Gambia hey the pattern was on po abotre nkwa ani eshem hey abotre ani antokwasi abotre Guinea ni Gambia fu ya mo antokwa wo mukrom dalanti mo da musu ban di wa Ibrahim Koni so goalkeeper die ya yeah asen etianity oboa referee say ya mehwa no Abotre navigator captain of Guinea Azajubre referee afraid 2 players no Aso Krachi obra ona na yebrigo wono Ali so bra oba munche wada uti Apempo mapa wada uti bra mun komachi na menhwe mrantie mienu Ose wo oba munche je wo Ali zan o hwe referee na onya Obaje card no kura finisem Julian Janvier with the yellow Samson Ali extra the yellow card. Yes, beautiful side of a game no omunyina chi omo I say oh asa wo kuti agogi pa wanya de ana Ali so say na mitia na wanya de nche ansheda entonton pen baby akwana mframa abo Gogi pay or performer or per time a delay now or I don't work on. Any way, sorry. Any will cool out say Ali Anna Ibrahim Koni or a soda from Gambia and Guinea talk. I can made it. I was saying, Evan saying, Elko was an Niger. I can say Elko was in Niger. Hey, Gambia ni Guinea, come there. Ibrahim Kone was joining us on podium. 89 minutes, approaching the 90th minute. Mark Guinea betume holding on to their leader now, and Gambia beti. Poneto. Gambia coach Watoto Sasa. And here, Abrante Kamara, where the Agrene, where German captain navigator to Kamara, Ope Kamara, the Yakora Bonnie, Jubo, no, but so you can check. And here, Diakabi once again in defense, and now the Agro, what you hey, Pony Pim, my dear Frio, Janko, Ponabedi, Abrante Mendy, Aboni Boom. Made through Gambia. Now see I'm quite Guinea for the idea through. And at all I saw Sabe pay idea through. Comment to the I want to say Umbi Pia Bonica Gambia Bari Nepa Bari a Pia passing their comb fin. A ceremony farm, Yama crying Guinea for a year through. Guinea for referee 8 minutes in the also. Simano Mako and watch 8 and here Gambia Debbie Bono a go kick. Nana 8 minutes in the referee also. This go be better Masaba.
Well, looking at the tempo of the game, go a bit to me about. Say for the Gambians and they are surging forward to get an equalizer, and even chances are on when and I won't make good use of it. They are pushing men forward to get the equalizer. Until 8 minutes can make any change for them, because even a minute can make a change. So we hope to see at the end of that 8 minutes in the outcome that will come. For the Guineans, and for now, no, they need game management on how to manage the game till the end of that 8 additional minutes.
Guinea and Sacha Mohamed Bayo. Striker no film. Ama Abranti on the day. Kante Jose Wabem. We Yungulu Kante. We Jose Kante Wabem. Abedioma Koli. Wabone ten. Diakabi asumo bi referee foul. Is Gambians somebody depending on long balls. And see a free kick at here. Guinea, Diakabi ko push over in the tour. And see a foul. What's a bench? Kuro side, Ubem Zama Boje. Abrantian in the Barrow. A real keved for Shaby, baby. We just sent like walking to a boss. Abrantia Musa Baro and then the Amfa Niti Boom. Hey baby, Zucha center second Ketuabia, free kick pa. Amma Sonat Nakasa. There's a Kiveri Konenim. Hey, Mine Ghana. A Juada Ghana Agent Kono. And also, you know what you say. The name Mozambique. And you have 3-0, Macachero. 3-0, Macachero, Young Kuyanim. Young Kuyanim, and Tefaso Ghana Bebefi, Gambia. Asayo Guinea. Omekili Gimnana. Guinea Bekili Gimnana. Guinea. What a save again. Bonnie say, Nabiketa. Obo Boni Biache. Hey. Guinea and Tumakili Gimno. And ya Gambia once again. Abrantia Kamara. Mamma mia, Govi Kamara. Onimbone pa. Kamara. Nusu sana so diagro. Me man of the match. Ebi anko edi akabi dia. But Kamara diagro. It was a big opportunity, man. Gambia, Guinea, and Sulabi. Keep on the Bonaji Bono. Hey, Gambia got a canoe. 8 minutes, I referee to Tosia Bomu 5. I got 3. Last time, hey. Saturna. 8 minutes, I had a Tosia Bomu 5. I got 3. Bonabedi. Kante to Naby Keita to Kamara back to the captain Naby Keita. Ture to Kante. Jose Kante Neba. What a pass. Guinea. This could be the second goal. Dabi. Bonisaya. Guinea. Dabi Bonapim. Air corner. Oh, Guinea. Wasting all the chances and the opportunities. Etifaswa Aswa Sebaba. Etifaswa Aswa Sebaba. Air corner. Air corner for Guinea. Air corner for Guinea. Air corner for Guinea. Naby Keita and Ejinechiri. Wayana Ketuabi. Naby Keita in Sudia. Ababe Chirebi. Ania Gambia, America, Baba, Gambia, Yamana Kwai, Yachana, Bibika Krawetua, Yamana Kwai, because Yamwachana 3 matches never to draw. A chance of 3 matches. Hey, a chance 3 matches, 2 p.m. Algeria and Burkina Faso. 2 p.m. Sansona 5 p.m. Mauritania and Angola. And 8 p.m. Tunisia and Mali. And Ziggy Yabeni say 2 p.m. here the commentary baba. Na 8 p.m. say the commentary about that they say na young mega cry there 2 p.m. here Algeria and Burkina commentary baba. Na 8 p.m. here the Tunisia and Mali there no so aba. Tunisia you see etuom Tunisia san e frɛ no Tunisia hey come here 8 minutes Yere toso no Ninyina so anesa Diman baby awo bia achana 5 de ene de oba be Mauritania and Angola Diman baby awo bia achana say 5 p.m. de no wa be Mauritania and Angola and de oba be Entiano so no. Bono a goal kick for Gambia. 8 minutes in the so enter referee Bonapain. Referee enter Bonapain. Referee Bonapain the game in Bonavier. Bonapain the game in Bonavier. Guinea 1, Gambia 0. The tournament is over for the Gambians. Because someone lose 2 matches. Kofi game in Bonavier. Guinea 1, Gambia 0.
Nana, I believe it's a very sweet revenge at the Guinea and a good results at the moment going forward into the next stage of the competition. What we are born now, what my ball and then I almost deserve the win because right from the start of the game, no, what we how our Omura game with determination. One more share at least 3 points no almost to me. I can. This is what we call tactical play. And we share right from the changes our coach, on the formation or the right game name, and how I am ranting, one more committed on the field of play. Now, Omako all out, to me winning this game. Guinea, Ababe, one of the country, I can say tournament winner. People should watch out for them because some were a very good squad, and of course they have the quality. Omobo as a collective team. And I know to me I showcase it in their first game against Cameroon and then in this game against the Gambia. Nana, I think say we have tournament we are make me say we are one of the beautiful games are yet to me and in this particular tournament. And kudos to the 2 teams, I think say Omama a very nice football. We share Sanya Guinea for Ramu in the second half now. I'm making sure say be take you more chances. And we share chances nearby now. Only one pair and no mutumi share. And nana 5 big chances and no create your mutumi share emu 1. So obviously Kerry tells you say in terms of one more attack, one more here another improvement. Honum going forward. Next game, Senegal, Kwakobono. And they are witness a very nice game. You have 2 teams now, Baso. And I've said, with the quality that African players, in this tournament, you showcase actually the rest of the world. Say in competition way, one of the greatest Nina yet to me who a very nice standard football ever ha. And Tinana, I think say Nameya Duma or Chinano, the very Naja, Nkusu for no Mebano, yet to me preparatory na Yakoyeni.
And Kofi. Nana, game na Bonavier.
Oh, okay, good game there witnessing, and this was a kind of agency ananka pe Senegal and Cameroon game, but to me I'm from and here lies the case. Gambia and Guinea and that agency a good football and a witnessing, and Guineans deserve the win because from the start of the game they showed everything clear. Say they needed these results and they needed it badly. And at the end of 90 minutes, they've come out as victors. When you one goal lead, going into the next round, I know say we are going to see good performance as we've witnessed today from them as well. So they should go and do their homeworks and get prepared for the next game. For Cameroonians, as you said, Ghana calculations. Answering Cameroonians for now, so they will keep on doing the calculation because for now, send an American never my heading Amanfo Nubiara.
I know, and Akuffo free ABC. Now, Finsia Koyami Boy China 2 p.m. or GV and Burkina Faso the commentary. And so, when I say I can come from my proud sponsors, it is your pathway. Sansuna Bellwise, Abium, Anchor, Emfa, Emaluma Vista, IPS, Sansuna, Blessing and Greatness Ventures, the Japaye, Construction and General Merchant, Afi, 2 Fingers Laundry and Cleaning Services, Omunyana Sono, SOE Muma, Nenume, and the commentary by Bracasine. I said, you Papa, Branabidi, Amukainwa, and then you made a commentary by Nasan Conforma, Ayatimina, headed by the General Manager, Yako Kubatin Gideon into Nanakuffo Encouragement, San Sonam, Ketcheri Apia Preku, Nanakwam Perry, and all day Papa be the boy, Nano Tamia, John Knock, DJ Tonsi, DJ Zigibi, K Brown, Amonsonom, it's me, a boy, Sansona, Nanakuffo Free, when I was a Papa Henry, Kofi Asar Jr. Ken Vibro, Kofi, when I was a other face, Timininya Bella upon Munina Moboye, Master Mo, Chief Security, Jackassier, Enko, Emfa, Emma, Mo joining on Facebook and YouTube. Yanama Simon, we see Ophian Ansono, Yanama Simon, PMO, and so ha, Munina Ansono, Nasekassia, Enko, Emfa, Mamu, Midin, at a Kelvin, Amponta Eddie, Ufrim, AK, the boss player, Majoso.